to celebrate the National Public Works Week every year. It's the third week in May, and we celebrate it on the second Tuesday here in Nampa. We invite around 100 students, typically third or fourth graders from local schools, to gain knowledge and interaction for all of the things that we do in Public Works. We specifically like to target our streets division, our traffic, our water renewal division. A lot of cities call that the wastewater division, but we don't waste water here in Nampa. We renew it and put it back in the ground. But it really promotes interest and interaction with the STEM-related fields and shows what our hardworking individuals do to make Nampa a safe and prospering city for its citizens. We've done this for like 10 to 20 years. Each year it gets a little bit bigger, a little bit more interactive. I think their favorite part at the very end, we have our heavy equipment parade, where we parade through a bunch of different equipment. They'll, squirt the water truck, move the bucket on the loader, turn the vibratory on the roller so they can see it, and it's really interactive. I think these students come away with a passion for Public Works. I'm actually one of these students. My mother worked in Public Works for 30 years for the city of Boise, not for Nampa, but still in this Treasure Valley here. And here I am serving as a Public Works director because of an interest in jobs like this and seeing what they do for our community and really giving back to those that we love. Public Works Week is one of the favorite weeks for all of the Public Works employees. We have around 170, which is about between a third and a quarter of the employees here for the City of Nampa work in our Public Works divisions. They really love interacting with the children. It revitalizes them. It really shows the interest and the importance in what they're doing, as well as reaching out and having that pride of ownership and sharing what they're doing with the younger generations and inspiring them to come be the next generation of Public Works employees. Re-experiencing it through the children's eyes is absolutely my favorite thing. I've got 3 young kids myself. I have triplets, they're 2.5, so I can't wait to get them involved in things like this and see their growing interest and just see how they learn and what they take in.